Hey guys, this is Scott Leroy Marketing, coming in for another weekly tip. And today's tip is actually about a new smart plan that just launched last week. So if you guys haven't been checking out the smart plans daily or anything of that sort, no worries. All right, this is now available on here. So if I click on the smart plans option over here on the left-hand side, so once I'm inside command, I'm going to click on it. Looks kind of like a document or paper, and then obviously a wheel on here. I think it's a wheel, maybe it's a gear. All right, but once I click on that regardless for smart plans, now there's going to be a total of 8 different smart plan options. Now, when you first come on here, you're going to see your people plans, and this is obviously where you can access all of your active smart plans. Now, even though it doesn't say activated over here, as long as you have contacts on those plans, you'll be able to notice them and access them immediately. All right, because on the right-hand side, you can actually add contacts. So hopefully in the near future, this activated option will display. All right, but if we click on the library option, the newest smart plan is the open house follow-up. All right, so reach out to a lead that someone acquired via an open house. All right, so in this case, if you happen to host an open house this past weekend, this would be perfect for you to start on. All right, it has 15 steps. There's a duration of 20 on here and 7 touches. All right, so if we click on the view step option, all right, now we can actually take a look as to what's actually coming out. So step 1 on here, it's an SMS text message. So this will send out via Twilio. All right, so just a heads up, you will need Twilio linked up inside your settings section on here. All right, and that is a paid option. All right, but on here, as you can see, there's an SMS text message, then a 1-day delay, then there's a touch task for you. So as you can see, send a nice to meet you at the open house email to your lead for the open house you held. All right, then there's a delay of 2 days, a phone call. All right, then a delay, another text message. All right, so just a couple ideas that you can actually add in on here. And all you'll need to do to launch this, all right, is we can just click on Add Smart Plan down here at the bottom right. All right, and then automatically up here, here's the plan name. All right, here's the category. We can't change anything. And then here's the trigger event, so it's going to be manual. So we'll click on Apply on here. All right, you've successfully added the open house follow-up to your smart plans. So now if I come back up to my smart plans on here, under the people plans, now I'm going to have that open house follow-up. All right, and then I can click on this once again to view all the different steps. All right, so 15 total steps on here. All right, and then we can actually see what contacts we've added on. We can click on this Add Contacts option, so we can actually add people over to that plan if we want to. All right, so completely up to you in this case as to who you want to add in. All right, but this will be great if you're actually hosting an open house this last weekend, obviously on the 10th of the 9th, and you can start to add people onto this open house follow-up plan immediately. All right, so once again, as of today, November 10th, you're not able to go through and customize the plans quite yet. All right, so hopefully very soon you'll be able to. But regardless, you can still utilize this open house follow-up immediately. So there you go. So that is your K to the command tip for the day.